and welcome back, everybody. If your Instagram calls are not connecting, so let's head over to Instagram for that. And you're looking out solutions for that, you may follow up these steps. So, first of all, you can go to the DM section. And once you go to the DM on your Insta, once it is loaded, you can go over to chat and try calling or texting someone. So you can just go over and do so and see if it works. If that does not work, what we can do is we can restart the phone. So hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen and tap on it because a simple restart should fix the many temporary glitches. Also check your internet connection. Go to your settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you can just go over and tap on connections, and within connections, look out for the Wi Fi or the mobile data that you connected and ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can try switching between the Wi Fi and the mobile data to see if one is more reliable. If that does not work, you can check your phone's permissions. So go to your phone settings. And once you go to your phone settings, ensure that the Instagram has permission to access your camera and microphone. You can go to your settings and look out for apps and tap on it. And once you tap on apps, look out for the top and search for Insta and tap on it. And once you tap on Instagram, what you may do is just go over, look out for the storage section and tap on it. And once you go to storage, look out for the clear cache and tap on it and clear the cache for your Instagram. Also clear your data if necessary. And also ensure that the device's do not disturb mode is not turned on. You can look out for that and turn it off if it is turned on because it may block notifications or the calls from Instagram application. Also update the Instagram application. You can go to Play Store for that. And once you go to your Play Store, look out for the search. And within your search, you can search for your Insta. So find Insta and search for it. And once you find Insta, you can just go over and download the Instagram latest version and just go over and do so. Also clear the cache, hold the app, and go to the info. And within the info, go to storage. And within storage, just go ahead and tap on clear cache and also clear data if necessary. And that's it. Probably those are some of the solutions you can try out. And your Instagram calls not connecting issues should be working again. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.